Hello my people, I really appreciate you passing by, and if you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button below and subscribe. So today I want to show you how I make akara bean cake. So the ingredients that I need for this: 3 cups of beans, onion, salt to taste, red pepper and green pepper, vegetable oil for frying. First, what I'm going to do now, already pick the beans. Either you soak it for some minutes and start washing, or you boil for 2 minutes, then bring it out, soak it for 30 minutes before you start washing. So the method I'm going to use, I'm going to boil it for 2 minutes, soak it and start washing it. So stick with me. So guys, I'm done washing it. I don't want to bore you with the video where I was washing it. Now I've washed, I have to transfer it to the blender to blend it very smooth to paste. Now I'm done grinding the beans. I have to transfer it to the bowl. So I'm done grinding it. I have to transfer the batter to a mortar. The pestle to smoothen it further. No, it's a usual thing to do. Then you add the salt to taste. Please be careful. This is beans when you're adding your salt, that you will not overdo it. I'm done smoothing it. I'm using this cup to measure it to the oil. So guys, like I said, you can serve this akara with custard, akamu or tea. So I'm serving it with custard. I want to get the custard ready. Ready? So the akara and the custard is ready. I want to give it to my family. This is our breakfast this morning. So my people, the akara is ready. I'm serving it with custard. Like I said, you can serve it with custard, akamu or tea. My family is taking it today with custard. So it's our breakfast. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and make sure you leave the notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So I really appreciate you for watching. God bless you. Bye.